Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. Having everything ready before you start mixing makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Ensure your oven is preheated to the correct temperature, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's ready when your batter is. Using room temperature ingredients, especially butter and eggs, helps them combine better, creating a smoother, more uniform batter for a perfect cake. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar together until the mixture is light, fluffy, and pale in color. This step incorporates air, which is crucial for a tender cake. Next, add your eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure they are fully incorporated. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients like flour with your wet ingredients such as milk, mixing just until combined to avoid overworking the batter. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared cake pans, ensuring they are greased and floured or lined with parchment paper. Bake for the recommended time, typically 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes before inverting them onto a wire rack. It's essential to cool them completely before frosting to prevent melting. Now for the fun part, frosting and decorating. Start with a thin crumb coat to seal in any loose crumbs, then chill your cake briefly before applying the final smooth layer of frosting. Get creative with your decorations, using sprinkles, fruit, or even edible flowers to make your cake truly special. And speaking of making things special, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.